Adding new columns to a data frame is fundamental for data transformation and feature engineering. We add them why? To derive new, more insightful metrics or to prepare data for specific analyses and models. This is done when raw data lacks necessary context, like creating ratios or flags. How in Python with pandas is straightforward, using simple column assignment, applying functions, or assign. Let's illustrate with Seaborn's tips dataset.
We have total_bill and tip. To understand generosity, well, add tip_percentage. We calculate tip, total_bill, 100 and assign it to this new column. This immediately provides a relative measure, enriching our data for better analysis or visualization. New columns are added to a data frame primarily to enhance data for analysis, feature engineering, or reporting. The code first loads the tips dataset, which contains information about restaurant bills, tips, and other dining details. It then demonstrates 3 common scenarios for adding columns, each illustrating different hows, whens, and whys through practical examples derived from the existing total_bill, tip, and size columns, displaying the head, before and after column additions visually confirms the changes, while info shows the new columns and their data types.
The first example shows how to calculate tip_percentage. This is done by dividing the tip by the total_bill and multiplying by 100. We add this column when we need a normalized value that provides context to the raw tip amount, allowing us to understand the proportion of the bill given as a tip. The why is to gain deeper insight into tipping behavior, making it easier to compare tipping habits across different bill sizes or customer segments, rather than just observing absolute tip values.
Next, the meal_size_category column is added. This is achieved by defining a custom Python function categorize_meal_size and applying it to the existing size column using the apply method. This column is added when we want to transform a numerical or ordinal variable into more manageable categorical groups. The why behind this is to simplify analysis, making it easier to draw comparisons or build models based on broad categories, e.g., small, medium, large parties, rather than individual sizes, which can reveal patterns in dining habits.